Good morning mga kalabs! Ayan, for today's vlog, it's cooking time! So, for today, I will cook dishes ba? Ulam baga. So let's start. Ayan. The fry pan is hot, so I will put cooking oil. Then we'll do this like this. Okay. And then the cooking oil is hot, so I will put the garlic. The garlic I will do become brown. Okay, the garlic is brown. You can put the onion. And then the tomato. Okay, we'll do the brown. Green is soup. So you can put the chicken, and then you can mix it.
Have you ever been the face, been the object of someone's hate? Like you stood all alone. Have you ever felt this way? Have you
So let the water of chicken is coming out and become brown.
suffered silently,
So
wanted
let's
to be
see this.
erased? There's a
See, mga kalabs ko, the chicken is have too much water in her body.
is nowhere to be found. Try to find
So you can mix.
to try again and stand on solid ground. You keep searching for a hero. You just want to find a friend. You just want to make a difference. Bring this battle to an end. All the words can make you stronger. You learn how to look within. If you're the hero that you're after, you are the hero, hero. You are the hero, hero.
So the chicken is ready. Ta-da! The water is done.
Have you ever wanted peace to feel the freedom of
So now you can put the
whisper quietly?
patatas. So ito patatas lang. Mga kalabs ko, ito patatas. Maliliit to siya kaya hindi ko na binalatan. Kaya ayan, ganyan siya. Ayan, and then you can add the string beans. So itong string beans mga kalabs ko ay kinuha ko doon sa garden. Ayan. So ihalo natin sa ating luto. So you can mix mga kalabs ko.
Don't let them break you and take you down. You are the one who can turn this around.
So let her a little bit fry the vegetable on the oil. So let's cover mga kalabs.
You are the hero, hero.
So, yan. Already fried the vegetable. So now you can add the black pepper, then a little bit of salt, mga kalalabs ko. Okay, done. Then you can add you can add this like this. I put vinegar little bit, the soy sauce a little bit, and also the water. So we will add this one. Then you can mix. So you can taste it. And then we'll do cover. Okay, let her boil. And then the vegetable also is ready, and then the taste is come inside in the chicken. Let's see. Okay, it's boiling. So let her boil again, because the sweet potato, the potato is hard. So let her cook a little bit until the water is little bit done. Boiling. So now boiling, and then the string beans and also the potato is ready. So you can add this pineapple tidbits. Okay, you can add also the water of pineapple to become sweet. You cook like me, sweet. So you can mix. Okay, and then you can taste, mga kalalabs, if the taste is okay, or you can put something Or okay, you can taste. Yummy mga kalalabs ko. It's sweet, little bit sweet, salt, and salty a little bit, sweet, and also have a little bit sour. So let the water is done a little bit, and the taste is come soak at the chicken. So we'll cover, and then the fire is a little fire. So let's see mga kalalabs ko. Trans, ayan. Kunti na lang yung sabaw. So mix natin. So, ready na rin ang ating patatas. So, let's begin. Tama lang mga kalalabs ko. So, yummy, yummy. So, ayan na mga kalalabs ang ating sweet chicken adobo. Oh, diba? Pinaganda lang yung pangalan. So, ayan. Ready na yan. Malalabs ko. Ready na yan. So, ayan mga kalalabs ko. Done cooking tayo mga kalalabs. So, I hope that nag-enjoy kayo sa aking pagluluto, sa panonood ninyo sa aking pagluluto. And subscribe my channel mga kalalabs. Don't forget to subscribe, lovely like a vlogs. And don't forget to touch the bell para notify kayo sa aking new upload video. Mga kalalabs ko. Don't forget to touch the bell para notify kayo sa aking new upload videos. So, thanks for watching. See you next my vlog, mga kalabs. Bye-bye. Annyeong.